Discover the coolest gadgets on Amazon that will revolutionize your everyday life. From cutting-edge tech to innovative must-haves, our top picks are sure to impress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing finds. Imagine strapping a piece of futuristic art to your wrist. The UR-11112 Aggregat watch by Urwerk is not just a timepiece, it's a statement. Inspired by the sleek lines of the Bugatti Atlantic, this watch combines cutting-edge technology with avant-garde design. The UR-11112 features jumping digital hours and running minutes displayed through rotating prisms, housed in a streamlined titanium case. It's like wearing a mini spacecraft on your wrist, complete with a hunter-style case that reveals secret seconds. This masterpiece is priced at approximately $274. Whether you're a watch enthusiast or a lover of unique designs, the UR-11112 Aggregat is sure to captivate your imagination. Say goodbye to cold hands with the Ocoopa H01 PD Pro, the ultimate hand warmer for outdoor enthusiasts. This 10,000 mAh fast-charging hand warmer is not only powerful, but also incredibly durable, boasting IP45 waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant features. With 3 adjustable heating levels, it heats up in just 3 seconds and provides steady warmth for up to 15 hours. Plus, it doubles as a power bank, capable of charging your devices on the go. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just braving the winter chill, the Ocoopa H01 PD Pro, priced at $42, is your perfect companion for conquering the cold. Step into a world of mesmerizing motion with the Mezmocoin Infinity. This kinetic desk toy is more than just a fidget spinner. It's a piece of precision machined art. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Mezmocoin Infinity creates a captivating optical illusion as it spins, providing a calming and visually stunning experience. Perfect for relieving stress or simply adding a touch of elegance to your workspace, this toy is a must-have for anyone who appreciates fine craftsmanship. The Mezmocoin Infinity is available for around $35. Let it spin and watch your stress melt away as you get lost in its hypnotic dance. Step into the future of gaming and productivity with the Colo Playay cyber-themed knob controller. This innovative device is designed to elevate your gaming and work experience with its sleek cyberpunk aesthetic. Featuring a programmable knob and 4 mechanical keyboard-style buttons, the Colo Playay allows you to customize your controls for a seamless and efficient workflow. Whether you're adjusting your PC's volume, launching applications, or controlling your RGB lighting, this controller does it all with style. It's not just functional, it's a conversation starter. Priced at $189, the Colo Playay is perfect for gamers, streamers, and tech enthusiasts who want to add a touch of futuristic flair to their setup. Meet the RingConn Smart Ring, your new companion for 24/7 health monitoring. This sleek titanium ring is packed with sensors to track your sleep, stress, heart rate, and more. With a battery life of up to 7 days and no subscription fees, RingConn offers a hassle-free way to stay on top of your health. The accompanying app provides detailed insights and personalized recommendations, making it easier than ever to understand your body's needs. Whether you're an athlete looking to optimize performance or someone who wants to keep an eye on their wellness, RingConn has you covered. This smart ring is available for $279. Slip it on and take control of your health journey. Experience the future of wearable technology with the Nubia Smartwatch. This smartwatch features a stunning flexible AMOLED display that wraps around your wrist, offering a unique and immersive viewing experience. With built-in GPS, Bluetooth, and eSIM capabilities, the Nubia Smartwatch keeps you connected and on track, whether you're navigating a new city or tracking your fitness goals. Its innovative design is not just about looks, it's also highly functional, providing accurate health and fitness tracking. The Nubia Smartwatch is priced at $219, making it an affordable yet cutting-edge addition to your tech collection. Embrace the future with a watch that's as dynamic as you are. Imagine a serene summer day by the pool, the sun shining brightly, and the water invitingly cool. But amidst all the fun, safety is paramount, especially when children and pets are around. Enter the Smart Floating Pool Safety Alarm System by Lifebuoy, a game changer in pool safety. Priced at $395, this device is not just a floating alarm, it's a vigilant guardian. This system is equipped with advanced motion sensors that detect any unexpected movements in the water, triggering a loud alarm both at the poolside and on your smartphone via a dedicated app. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to integrate it seamlessly into your smart home ecosystem. The alarm is designed to cover a wide area, making it suitable for various pool sizes and shapes. Plus, its durable, waterproof design ensures it can withstand the elements, providing peace of mind for years to come. Step into the world of horological marvels with the Urwerk UR-1001, a timepiece that transcends the ordinary. This isn't just a watch, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design, priced at a staggering $400,000. The UR-1001, also known as the Zeit device, is a pocket watch that measures time in an unprecedented way, from seconds to millennia. Crafted with meticulous precision, the UR-1001 features a rotating satellite calendar, a day and night indicator, and a 100-year. This watch is designed to track time for up to 1,000 years. The oil change indicator reminds you when it's time for a service, ensuring the watch remains in perfect working condition for generations. The design is equally impressive, with a case that looks like it was carved from a solid block of metal. The intricate details and the use of high-quality materials make it a true collector's item. For the ultimate gaming experience, look no further than the Colo Master Shark X, a pre-built PC that combines cutting-edge technology with a jaw-dropping design. Priced at $7,000, this isn't just a computer. It's a work of art that will make any gaming setup stand out. The Shark X is designed to resemble a sleek, futuristic shark, complete with fins and a streamlined body. But it's not just about looks. This PC packs a punch with top-of-the-line components. It features an Intel Core i7-14700KF processor, an MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4070Ti GPU, 32GB of DDR, 5600 RAM, and a 1TB M.2 PCIe 4.0 SSD. All of this is housed in a Gigabyte Z790i Aorus Ultra Mini ITX motherboard, ensuring top-notch performance for all your gaming needs. What makes the Shark X truly unique is its fully upgradable design. Despite its compact size, it offers ample room for future upgrades, allowing you to keep your system at the cutting edge of technology.